Ever wondered what the world will look like in 10, 20, or even 50 years? While we don't have a crystal ball, we have something even better: artificial intelligence. AI is no longer just science fiction. It's a powerful force reshaping our reality at an incredible pace. We're not just talking about smarter phones or better search results. We're talking about a fundamental shift in how we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Today, we're diving deep into the 5 most mind-blowing AI breakthroughs that are on the horizon, each one set to completely change everything we thought we knew. So buckle up, because the future is coming faster than you think, and you're about to get a front row seat. Let's kick things off with our number 1 game changer: artificial general intelligence, or AGI. You've probably heard of AI, the kind that can beat you at chess or recommend your next favorite movie. That's called narrow AI. It's designed for one specific task. AGI is the next giant leap. Imagine an AI with the ability to understand, learn, and apply knowledge across a vast range of tasks, just like a human. It wouldn't just follow instructions. It would reason, strategize, and solve problems it has never encountered before. Think of it as the AI equivalent of a polymather Da Vinci or an Einstein, but with the processing power of a supercomputer. So, what does a world with AGI look like? For starters, scientific research would accelerate exponentially. An AGI could analyze massive datasets, identify patterns humans would miss, and propose new hypotheses in fields like medicine, physics, and climate science. Imagine curing diseases like Alzheimer's or developing clean, limitless energy sources, not over decades, but in a matter of years. It could revolutionize education by creating truly personalized learning paths for every student, adapting in real time to their strengths and weaknesses. The potential is staggering. Of course, the development of AGI also brings up huge ethical questions about control, consciousness, and what it truly means to be intelligent. We're still a ways off, but the brightest minds in the world are working on it, and when it arrives, it won't just be another tech update. It will be a new chapter in human history. Coming in at number 2 is something straight out of a sci-fi movie: brain-computer interfaces, or BC. This is where the human mind and artificial intelligence literally connect. BC are devices that create a direct communication pathway between the brain and an external device. Right now, early versions are already helping people with paralysis regain movement by controlling robotic limbs with their thoughts. It's truly miraculous. But the future of BC goes so much further. Imagine being able to type an email just by thinking it, or learning a new skill by downloading the information directly into your brain's neural network. It sounds wild, but companies like Neuralink are making serious progress in this field. The fusion of human and artificial intelligence through BC could unlock unprecedented levels of creativity and intellect. An architect could visualize a complex building and have the AI instantly render the blueprints. A musician could compose an entire symphony just by imagining the melodies. But it's not just about enhancing our abilities. For those suffering from neurological disorders or severe injuries, BCs offer a profound hope for recovery and a better quality of life. The technology could restore sight to the blind by feeding visual data directly to the brain's visual cortex, or help people who have lost their voice to speak again through a synthesized output. The line between human and machine is blurring, and BCs are at the very heart of this incredible transformation. Next up, at number 3, we have AI in drug discovery and personalized medicine. This is where AI stops being a concept and starts saving lives. The traditional process of developing a new drug is incredibly slow and expensive, often taking over a decade and costing billions of dollars. Most potential drugs fail during clinical trials. But AI is poised to change all of that. AI algorithms can sift through millions of biological and chemical compounds in a fraction of the time it would take human researchers. They can predict how a potential drug will interact with the body, identify promising candidates, and even design entirely new molecules from scratch that are tailored to fight specific diseases. This leads us to the holy grail of healthcare, truly personalized medicine. Right now, medicine is mostly one-size-fits-all. A doctor prescribes a drug based on general population studies. But we're all different. Our genetics, lifestyle, and environment mean we respond to treatments in unique ways. In the near future, an AI could analyze your specific genetic code, your medical history, and even real-time data from wearable sensors to create a treatment plan that is uniquely for you. It could predict your risk of developing certain diseases and recommend preventative measures long before any symptoms appear. This isn't just about curing sickness, it's about maintaining wellness on an individual level. The result? Longer, healthier lives for everyone. Our fourth breakthrough might sound a bit less dramatic, but its impact will be everywhere. Advanced robotics and autonomous systems. We're not just talking about the robot vacuums bumping into your furniture. We're talking about a new generation of robots with bodies as sophisticated as their AI brains. These robots will be able to navigate complex, unpredictable environments and perform delicate tasks with superhuman precision. Think of autonomous drones delivering packages and medical supplies to remote areas, or teams of construction robots working 24/7 to build infrastructure faster and more safely than ever before. In manufacturing, these advanced robots will handle everything from intricate assembly to quality control with flawless accuracy, but their reach extends far beyond the factory floor. In agriculture, autonomous tractors and drones will plant, monitor, and harvest crops with optimal efficiency, helping to solve the global food crisis. In our homes, helper robots could assist the elderly with daily tasks, allowing them to live independently for longer. Perhaps most importantly, these robots will take on the jobs that are dangerous, dirty, and dull for humans, from deep-sea exploration and mining to disaster response and hazardous waste cleanup. By automating these tasks, we can free up human potential to focus on creativity, innovation, and human connection. Finally, at number 5, we have generative AI that creates, not just analyzes. You've seen glimpses of this with AI art generators and chatbots like ChatGPT, but we are only scratching the surface. The next evolution of generative AI is about creating complex, coherent, and contextually aware content across all modalities: text, images, music, code, and even 3D virtual worlds. Imagine an AI that can write a novel in the style of your favorite author, compose a piece of music that perfectly captures your mood, or design a video game based on a simple verbal description. This isn't just imitation, it's creative collaboration. This technology will democratize creation. You won't need to be a skilled coder to build an app or a trained musician to compose a song. You'll simply need an idea. You can describe what you want, and the AI will help you bring it to life. For professionals, it will be the ultimate assistant. A film director could use AI to generate entire digital sets or create photorealistic virtual actors. A software developer could have an AI write and debug huge chunks of code, dramatically speeding up development. Generative AI will become a new tool for human expression, a partner in the creative process that pushes the boundaries of art, entertainment, and design into territories we can't even imagine yet. So there you have it, 5 monumental AI breakthroughs that are set to redefine our world. From achieving human-level intelligence with AGI and merging our minds with machines, to revolutionizing medicine, automating physical labor, and unlocking limitless creativity. The future isn't just a distant dot on the horizon. It's being built right now, line by line of code, circuit by circuit. Of course, this journey will have its challenges. We need to navigate complex ethical dilemmas and ensure this powerful technology is used for the benefit of all humanity. But one thing is certain: the AI revolution is here, and it's going to be the most exciting and transformative ride in human history. Thanks so much for watching. What do you think is the most exciting AI development? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this glimpse into the future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss our next video. See you next time.